Today's cocktail is full of fun and inspiration. It's super hot out and everybody needs a tropical popsicle. So the ingredients are coming up next. For the tropical popsicle, we're going to use 1.5 ounces of Suntory Japanese whiskey. We're going to use 1/2 ounce of Aperol, 1 ounce of Passionfruit Syrup, 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice. We're going to top with seltzer water, and I'm going to garnish with a lime wheel. This cocktail is from Noble Experiment in San Diego. I found it on imbibe.com. I'll make it and fill you in on the tasting notes so you know what to expect. We're adding 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, ounce of passion fruit syrup, and 1/2 ounce of Aperol. We're getting 1.5 ounces of the Suntory whiskey. Alrighty, now let's get some ice in our tin here. And then I'm gonna use this French cobbler shaker today. I'm gonna use a bunch of different shakers in a few of my videos, and then I'm gonna do a little review on all of those, but I'm gonna use this one today. So I'm gonna shake this for 10 seconds or so. Let's see if we can get it open. So we might know what the review is going to be about there. So let's get it into our glass. And I'm going to use some pieces of ice. And then let's get the cocktail in the glass. It's a really pretty color. All right. Then we're going to top with a little bit of seltzer water. And then I'm going to garnish with a lime wheel. I'll do a little bit of a thicker one here for this. And let's see, let's get it in right there. So that is a tropical popsicle. The first time I made this cocktail, it seriously conjured up memories for me. And I want to know in the comments, did anybody else freeze Kool-Aid in a plastic cup, put cling wrap over the top, put a butter knife in the middle so that you had a stick, and we ate that on Saturday mornings when we were watching cartoons? So tell me in the comments. I certainly ate my fair share of homemade popsicles and drank my fair share of Kool-Aid. So let's try the tropical popsicle. Okay, so the Suntory has that green apple. That's a little tart, but so is the Aperol. And we're looking for, a sweet flavor here. So the passion fruit comes in and brings you that sweet component. And then the seltzer water just kind of pulls it all together so that it's not overwhelming. But I think it's a nice cocktail. And I would recommend it for any pool party. It's a great pool party drink. So that's it for me this week, guys. We will see you next week with another great cocktail. Be well.